Good evening, friends. It is your friend in flowers, Lisa Mason Ziegler, and coming to you on this absolutely beautiful evening here in southeastern Virginia. And Steve and I just finished making a couple of beds and had dinner, and I just had to walk back outside one more time. It is just, you just can't even get the feel right now. I cannot wait. This is not what I came on here for, but I'm going to say it. I just can't wait to welcome people here on our open farm and warehouse June 29th. The farm is in full whole hog succession planting, meaning pulling stuff out, planting stuff in, stuff's waiting to go in, we're starting more seeds, we're ripping out old crops. It's just really, really wonderful here. And so if you are interested in our open farm, actually, I think the word's open. I think you can comment open here, and we'll DM you the details, or you can find it over on our website. But what I really wanted to come on here tonight and share with you guys, that we just take such pride and honor in publishing courses to help flower farmers and those people that are making that transition from gardening to flower farming. And, because I was that person struggling. I was barely a gardener when I started farming, right? And we have a new course that came out actually like 7 or 8 days ago. And I think it might be one of the most transformable courses that we've done. It's a short course. It's like 3 or 4 hours, I think. It's not one of our big schools. And it's Profitable Flower Farming with Lennie Larkin. And let me just tell y'all, Lennie has taken a subject that people either don't talk about, making money, making a profit. How much money can you make, and how do you do that? She's taken a subject that is taboo, basically, and nobody talks about. She not only talks about it, she makes it so approachable and so doable. I have to tell y'all that, I obviously watched the course when it was being built and when the team was working on it. And then it goes through all it goes through. It takes a year almost now for a course to get up and running. And so I sat down and watched the course the afternoon before it actually went live. And I want to tell y'all that I haven't been so excited about potential because basically what Lennie teaches you in this course can literally be applied to any business. It's not just flower farming. It's just a real eye-opener. And people like me that have been in business for a while, it's like, oh yeah, let's kind of get back to the basics and get down to the nitty-gritty. How much money do I want to make? How am I going to make that? And her course just takes you by the hand, friends. It's exciting. I was excited after I watched her course. That doesn't happen to me very much. It's like when I read a good book or a good book comes out, anyway, we won't even go down that rabbit hole. You just can't hardly stop thinking about it. And that's what Lennie's course has done to me. And it's called Profitable Flower Farming. And I call it a short course because it's not one of our big schools. And I think it has 24 video sessions, 12 handouts. And y'all, the introductory special goes off tonight at midnight is why I'm on here telling y'all about it. You can still buy it tomorrow, but you're going to save $40 if you buy it today. The course is $199 regularly, and it's on sale for $159. Not on sale, it's an introductory offer. And I'm telling you, friends, I guarantee you, if you apply one of her many principles, you will make a lot more than $159. I'm not kidding you. This is the business piece that so many people are struggling with. And what I really wanted to say tonight was you can't imagine how your confidence in talking pricing with customers, whether it's somebody that makes a remark about how much your bouquets are at the farmer's market, or talking to a florist about what your price is. When you have structure behind you, that she gives you the formulas, when you have that knowledge and confidence, it changes your whole way. You no longer feel, scared. Because, when you feel scared and you're really nervous, you know what that usually means? Is that you are not prepared. This course will prepare you. And I just am super excited about it. And I'm not going to stop talking about it. But I'm just saying, $200 regular price is a BB in the Astrodome compared to how this can transform your business. And when it transforms your business, I'm getting ready to post a reel in a few minutes of Stevie helping me in the garden with the tractor. When your business truly has a little roadmap for you to follow, which leads you to being profitable, it changes your life in ways you didn't imagine. I mean, your family, who are so supportive when you start your business, right? But you're just spinning your wheels. You're still not making money. You're frustrated. You're exhausted. You're overwhelmed. You're not selling the flowers the way maybe you thought you were, or you don't know where to sell them, or you don't know what to price them. You've been giving them away. All of that not only is taking a toll on you, that definitely takes a toll on your family. And I can't tell you how it transforms your relationships and those people that you're closest to when your business starts to get a grip and starts to momentum, and you start selling flowers and they're priced properly and you make money. And you can make money, people. I mean, the people that are belly aching about not making money, it's because they're not running a profitable business. And I mean, it's just business, y'all. We aren't born knowing this stuff. We have to learn it. And as Lennie will tell you, I call her the flower farming nerd now, but she didn't have any of this knowledge 7 or 8 years ago. This is something she dove into because she's putting the bread on the table at her house. And she had to become profitable. And friends, you know what? Put your foot to the fire and that'll light you, And we are all benefiting from that because Lennie is a gifted, incredible teacher. She was a teacher before she was a flower farmer. And she has a way of teaching. She makes messing with numbers and figuring it out exciting, easy, approachable, and manageable. And friends, I'm going to go in now and take a shower and go to bed. I'm so tired. I was at the warehouse all day today. Monday is my in-office, paying the bills, helping the team with things signing books. Actually, Tucker and I had to stay late. I forgot to sign books. And then when I went to leave and I walked downstairs, there were stacks of books for me to sign. So I just love going up there and seeing what's happening, and this is just a great time of the year, y'all. And I think that Lennie's course has come at a time where a lot of people might be frustrated because they're not selling their flowers. And this will be a real boost to give you hope, and opportunity and ideas, and more importantly, a roadmap. I mean, a step-by-step. I often say, I don't mind cooking dinner if somebody would just tell me what to cook every day, right? It's like I tried to get one of my friends to make a course. I said, I want to sign up for a subscription that somebody sends me in my inbox every morning, tells me what I'm cooking for dinner, and make sure it's in my kitchen. I don't mind doing it. This is exactly what this course does. It just points you and shows you what to do. It has great worksheets, handouts, and anyway. So if you're interested, I haven't even said it, you can comment profit here, y'all, and we'll DM you the link. Or it's at thegardenersworkshop.com. It's at the top of every page until tomorrow morning when it'll be off the introductory special. So it'll still be available, but why not save $40, right? Get in on the ground floor. And I just really think that this is one of the most transformable courses. That's a short course, meaning you can sit down. So I'll give you a little hint. I watch all courses, all my business courses, all of them in double time. You can't take notes at that rate, but I always listen first and then go back and listen again. I actually listen several times. But the first time I listen to a course, I listen to it in double time. And most often I'm not watching it. I'm listening to it like a podcast, which you can do with Lennie's. You can do that on our phone app. You can actually put the phone in your pocket and keep listening to it. I did it in just less than a couple hours. And I'm telling you, it'll flip your business. If you are new, starting out, but more importantly, if you're a seasoned flower farmer, I'm telling you, she nailed me. I mean, it's like I felt like she was pointing her finger at me. You know, have you ever gone to church and you feel like, how did the preacher know exactly what was happening to me? It's that kind of moment, y'all. You know, I think it'll be really, really helpful to a lot of people. And that is our goal. And that's why I'm so excited about it. I think that this course is going to change and flip people's business if you apply it. That's the key, y'all. You got to spend 3 hours or whatever it is, listen to it in real time, listen to it at double speed to get yourself excited to listen to it again. And if you can't carve out 4 hours a week, this week, to listen to a business course that may change the future of your business, then you got bigger problems than just not being profitable. You have to be able to manage your business and grow it and get it better. And I'm the poster child for that, y'all. I went down all the wrong paths for a long time. Don't have to do that. All right, friends, comment profit if you would like a link, DM to you. And if not, you can just go to thegardenersworkshop.com. It's there on top of every page. And again, the special introductory offer ends tonight at midnight, at Eastern time, that is. And I know that like on the West Coast, y'all are a little behind us. It's bedtime here, y'all. It's 8:52. I have to get clean and climb into bed as I'm watching rabbits. We got so many rabbits here this year, y'all. And they're awfully cute. But anyway. All right, friends. I love being out here in the evening, in the golden hour. Even though there's 500,000 Japanese beetles in my garden. Oh, well. I still picking them. All right, friends. Till we meet again, remember, comment profit if you would like the link. And it'll be the best $160 you have spent this year. I will promise you that. All right, friends. Ciao.